J Fresh DIY fan. I'm a fan of him. Yo, I just heard something. Oh shoot! Oh my God! You didn't say something. You didn't Get in the hallway. Okay, guess I could just walk. Tra la la. Come on, man. This boy. Oh heck no! And then you gotta get in the door. Let me get into the hallway. Come on, we gotta get in the hallway. Start running after us. Get in here. Yo, freaking. It's a freaking clown. You need to take a run for it. 1, 2. You go first. Wait, tracking this bitch. Yo. Right here. You almost have to make a run for it. Yes. You wanna make a run for it? Make a run for it. Make a run for it! Run it! He's right there! Where? Right there! Zoom in! Go! Making a run for it. Yo, he's like right there. He's not there. Yes. Oh shoot, there's a clue. His magnet. You know what? Fuck, I'm about to cross this bitch here. I was just kidding. Give me. He's crazy. Looks like a homeless guy. Yeah, we're gonna upload this thing on YouTube. Oh, the world star! We're gonna put this thing on YouTube, and it's gonna be called Clown with a Chainsaw. So just give a thumbs up just give a thumbs up when you see this, guys. He's crazy. What are you doing? Something. Yo. Come on. Gotta go back.
Yo, I'm about to juke him.